Oh, the flag. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are so excited because we are here at Holly Oaks ORV Park. So for those of you who are local, you're in the Michigan area, it's about 45 minutes from most places. We're in the Metro Detroit area, so yeah, we're about to go test it out. And go ahead, Brian, show them this. Got this little bad boy here installed, AFX Motorsports roof rack. So it doesn't look too cheesy like the what's that thing called? The Can-Am one, the BRP Ready, whatever it's called, Adventure rack. This thing is just like terrible compared to this one. So I mean, it's like 60 inches long, 40 something inches wide, and it's got nice little strips here to tie stuff down, or if you want to drill into it. So really cool. So we're going to show you guys the park. Are you ready, Brian?
I'm ready. You ready?
Yes. It looks like we are here by ourselves. Okay, there's a couple people here, but yeah, Sunday, and yeah, we're just doing a little bit of Tennessee prep. All right, coming to you soon, so stay tuned for that, guys. Subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and ride, see how this place is, and we'll give you guys a little review at the end. So let's go. It's like damn rough rain. That didn't take long to get dirty.
Yeah, she was clean when we got here, but there's a lot of mud pits and stuff everywhere. It's a good time out here at Holly Oaks ORV Park. There's a lot of uphill stuff you can see right here that we're actually about to do at the Magna Peak.
Say that one more time for the people.
Magna Peak.
Magna Peak.
This
all right.
rocky mountain area to go up. There's a lot of bigger ones all the way on the other side. Hopefully we can get to those.
Some real
as
big
we're
stuff
going.
over there.
I don't know if you guys can see any from the distance here, but it's a really good time. A lot of good stuff. A lot of little obstacle stuff like this too. We'll probably get to.
It's a lot of stuff you guys can do. You can jump that with your dirt bike or your four-wheeler, whatever you want to do. You know, at your own risk, right? So
a lot of steep downhills that you got to kind of
it's some stuff here you wouldn't even think that you would see. Like what? I was already not ready for one. All right, so
test your skill level.
All right, this is Tennessee prep. Yep. All right, so we're about to go up this hill, and let's do it.
All right, guys, we're here at Holly Oaks. Darius is about to go up this Magnum Peak rock hill here. Let's see what he can do.
right, Brian's about to hit this little stair stepper. So it doesn't look like a whole lot on camera, but I mean, it's a few stairs. good. Go ahead. There it is. Yeah, she's pretty steep right there. All right. Yep, there's more up. Clear puddle right here, okay.
Nice and filthy.
It's not looking like this when you're done. You didn't do anything, okay? All right, guys, so we just hit the, I'll say 90% of the park, right? What do you say?
Yeah, about give or take.
It's some other stuff over there that's a little crazy. So I will say they got stuff for everyone. Good time. It's a good time. First time here, actually, we didn't know where we were going. So, but yeah, it's some obstacle stuff. It's some crazy hill climbs. Some water you can go through if you want. I mean, it looked like we just got a little bit of rain not too long ago. So.
Oh, there's the little racetrack.
Oh, yes. I got a little footage of that, but the racetrack. So it looks like it's almost like a little short course, if you will. You know, small little jumps, but not bad. So good time, guys. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. Like I said, if it's not looking like this when you're done, because this thing was looking like a fresh unit when I first got it. That's how nice and clean it was. The rack up there is still looking good, okay? But if it's not looking like this when you're done, you didn't do anything.
Why bother coming here?
I'm like, but yeah, no, I mean, it's, you know, we saw some Jeeps. There's a lot of Jeeps, a super cool couple and a Bronco. They said they about to go out to Moab and stuff, so good time. So once again, Tennessee coming, subscribe. You guys know, videos, we got to make it a little bit more consistent, but we appreciate you guys for sticking with us, and just subscribe. Tell your friends, go to our Facebook group, Venture All Terrain, The Great Outdoors, share some pictures of your camping or hiking, whatever. We do more than just off-roading. So Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram, Venture
Follow
All
us on
Terrain.
Instagram, Venture All Terrain. Okay, and just follow little things. We're growing steadily, you know. But yeah, we appreciate the support and just subscribe. Oh, I forgot to mention Mount Holly Ski Resort. Go ahead and hit that right there. If you guys are interested in doing some skiing or renting some stuff, they got a nice ski hill right there. And
You snowboard too.
snowboard, whatever you want to do, it's actually here too. Like I said, local. We're in Michigan, Detroit metro area, so not super far from us, right off 75. So yeah, cool place. Once again, never been. So remember, guys, your next venture is only one step away.